Edo State Governor Senator Hon Okpebholo don kickstart campaign for the re-election of Presido Tinubu for 2027. The governor talked this one when he met with Hon Kaycee Osamwonyi, who don't move from the opposition People's Democratic Party (PDP) to the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC). Edo APC Chairman Jared Tenebeko introduced Hon Kaycee Osamwonyi to the governor after them receive her into the party for the state party secretariat. Hon Kaycee Osamwonyi, they represent Uwonde State constituency and they serve for the House Committee on Budget and Appropriation for the Edo State House of Assembly. Governor Okpebholo come praise Hon Kaycee Osamwonyi and other people wey join APC as he come promise say he go make sure say them go get good environment to work together and help develop Edo State. He come talk say the administration they do plenty work to make the economy of Edo State better for the people. He come also talk say Uwonde local government dey special to am and he go work with everybody to develop am well. For the 2027 presidential election, the governor come talk say Edo State ready gidigba and he asks for the support of youth to help with the campaign.
Today we are going to rejoice when the prodigal son returned back home. Then there was the fattest cow. This is a plus for us and a minus for them. We've just gotten about 5 of you, the House of Assembly member who have joined us, plus you now is the 5th person. So that shows we are making progress. And so many people are willing. Many people are ready. There will be a carnival that will take place very soon. By the time we start, it will be like a train that will never stop. And I see in your face and the face of your colleagues, face of progress. And you coming to join the progressive, that means you have already made a step to develop your place. And we are ready to do that. Uwonde is a very critical local government to me because we have so many of our leaders that are from there. In no time we had just, in Uwonde we had 2 commissioners, and meanwhile, other local government has not even got it. But Uwonde is a very critical place. So we believe that the next election, most especially the one for our president, 2027, is a reality in Edo State. You can see my chairman is already wearing 2027. It's possible as a waju. So we have already started here and we have kickstarted our own campaign for president. Let me tell you the truth. Yesterday I was dreaming about us mobilizing the youth. We have to. And thank God you are a youth. And I didn't know that there's a chapter coming on board. So thank God you have joined us, and I wish you very well, and I wish you well, and God will guide you. And I promise you that you will enjoy this our party.
Edo APC Chairman Jared Tenebeko talk say APC now gets majority for the state assembly and say Honorable Osamwonyi move join the party sake of the development wey Governor Okpebholo don bring to the state in a short time. A constant talk say
the whole state were shocked and we're happy seeing the work that you have done on a very short period of 100 days. It shows that you are a silent achiever, and because of that, a lot of people from all political parties have been coming to join the party because of your developmental strides. And recently, we received some members of the party from PDP into APC that gave us a comfortable majority in the House. And that is the reason why there was adjustment. We now have the majority leader, the chief whip, and all other principal offices that is due to a party who is a majority in the House. And today, we are also happy to let you know that we have received another member in Honorable Kaycee Osamwonyi into our fold today. That is now giving us a more comfortable majority in the House of Assembly. And presenting him to you is unique because on his own he decided, and most of the things he cited is same developmental stride, which he is ready, he has keyed in. And he said something at the party secretariat just now that the interest of his people matter to him more than any other interest. He is a member of the Budget Appropriation Committee in the House. And when he saw the budget, he saw things that you want to do, that you're already doing, that made him to decide to cross carpet. Because in the House of Assembly, we don't say the camp, we say cross carpet. So he has cross carpet to what today. And he's going to also ally those things to you. The governor of Edo State, I present to you Honorable Kaycee Osamwonyi, who has just joined us. Thank you. God bless you.
For im part, Honorable Kaycee Osamwonyi come tok say the reason why im come join APC na sake of the disunity wey dey inside PDP for national level down to local level, and say Governor Okpebholo's achievement also join attract am back, and say the many projects wey dey for wounded people for the budget make am not get choice but to join the party for the good of im people.
Your Excellency, sir, just as I mentioned at the State Party Secretariat, a man with few words and many action. My decision to join one of the largest political party in Sub-Saharan Africa and Africa and the world in general, the All Progressive Congress, is not far-fetched. For me, this is not an issue of cross-carpeting. I'm back home. I started my active political career in the All Progressive Congress. So for me, this is a welcome back. I'm back to my house, back to my roots. Like I mentioned at the State Party Secretariat, during my campaign, I make a strong promise to my people that whenever my decision is at variance with the decision of the majority of the wounded people, that the wounded people, your decision will come first. I'm here today with the decision of the majority of wounded people. And the division in my former party, the People Democratic Party, the PDP, made me take the decision today. There's a strong division from the national level to the state and unit level. And just like I mentioned, I'm a strong progressive. And most importantly, in quote, most importantly, the development of my people is more paramount to me. Because before I joined active politics, I made a promise to myself and the people of Uwunde constituency that my decision to join active politics is not about Naira and Kobo, but to bring development to my people. And by the grace of God, I'm a member of the Outstanding Committee on Budget and Appropriation. I have the privilege of going through the 2025 budget and the list of projects that you have earmarked to do in my constituency. Those projects can only come into reality when I align with you. Because whether we like it or not, the duty of a lawmaker is to move motion, sponsor bill, and perform oversight function. It is sole responsibility of the executive to carry out development, vis-a-vis infrastructural development and human development. And this can only come into bear when the member representing particular constituency in the same political party with you. I have gone through your manifesto, and my people has told me in strong terms that Uwunde cannot be left out in your developmental stride. That is why I've come today to align with you, to also align with your developmental blueprint for Edo State and Uwunde in particular. So it's a great honor, Your Excellency. I thank you.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know the take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC News.